So hello guys, today there was a contest and I participated in that. I'm putting this video after very long time coming back to my channel, and so today I have solved just started the A question. This is division 2 A question. So it is a very easy question I think, and here are four variables. Like first is like number of test cases, then in each test case there are three numbers. So first number denotes the number of fruits you have, then that first number is n, that denotes the number of fruits you have, then x denotes the number of fruits that can be blended in 1 second, and then y denotes the number of fruits that can be transferred to the blender in 1 second. Here you just need to tell in how many seconds you can blend n number of fruits. So the logic here is very clear. Whichever is lower in x and y, that is going to deciding factor for the all fruits blending time. So whichever lower, you just divide n by that number. Like here in this case 3 is lower and total number of fruits is 5, so you divide 5 by 3, you will get 1 and you will get remainder as 2. If you are getting remainder greater than 0, then add one more whatever result you get after dividing, so that will be your answer. And if there is no remainder, then you add 0. So basically if that n is fully divisible by the low like smaller number x or y, so that is your answer. So if you see 5 divided by 3 1, and then there are two remainders, you add one more, so it will be 2. So as you take 100, so 100 divided by lowermost number of 4 and 3, so 3 is lower, so 100 divided by 3 you will get 33 and remainder 1, so 33 plus 1 is 4. Like if you are getting remainder 1 or 2, you will add only 1, like you need one more second, so that answer will be 34. Here it is 9, both are equal 3 3, so if you divide and by any of x or y, so you will get 3. It is fully divisible, so no need to add 1. So answer is 3. So code is very simple. I have just first t is the number of test cases, then abc is for storing n and x and y. Basically what I told, I just implemented. I will divide n by lowermost number, so I will divide a by b or c, whichever lower. So and if it is that remainder is greater than 0, then I will add one more, otherwise I will not add. And all those answers I will store in a answer vector. All those vectors element get printed at the end by this for loop. This code is already submitted on my Codeforces profile. So this is all for today's. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.